So much better.
3.
Good evening, Mrs. Vander. So my name is Thanos. Today I'm going to talk to you about the cultural diversity and the creative economy and the implications for tourism. So first we start from the table of contents. Today we're going to talk about the introduction. We're going to have the definition of cultural diversity, what is creative economy, the relation of cultural diversity and creative economy, the creative economy and its implication for tourism, and then we're going to have the conclusion and the references. So, starting by the introduction, all around the world, the creative economy is talked about as an important and growing part of the global economy at the interface of culture, business and technology. Governments and creative sectors across the world are increasingly recognizing its importance as a generator of jobs, wealth and cultural engagement. But how cultural diversity and creative economy are connected and how they implicate tourism. So, first let's define cultural diversity. The definition of cultural diversity refers to differences among people because of their racial or ethnic backgrounds, language and tradition. What is creative economy? At the heart of the creative economy are the cultural and creative industries that lie at the crossroads of arts, culture, business and technology. What unifies these activities is the fact that they all trade with creative assets in the form of intellectual property. And here we can see what Mrs. Irina Bokova, Director of General of UNESCO, said. While creating jobs, creative economy contributes to the overall well-being of communities, individual self-esteem and quality of life, thus achieving inclusive and sustainable development. Now the relation of cultural diversity and creative economy. The creative economy also contributes significantly to inclusive social development, dialogue and understanding between people. Through creative economy, many solutions and ideas are developing on how we can live together with other people in more urban, culturally diverse and ecologically precarious times. It's obvious that through creative economy, it's becoming easier for people to understand cultural diversity and gives a better idea of how people with diverse cultures can live together. The creative economy and its implications for tourism. The rapidly developing relationship between tourism and creativity arguably regards a creative turn in tourism studies. Creativity has been employed to transform traditional culture, tourism, shifting from tangible heritage towards more intangible culture and greater involvement with the everyday life of the destination. The creative industries now play an important role in the development and growth of tourism, particularly by influencing the image of destinations. For example, film-induced tourism, like it happens with Phuket in Phi Phi Island, or the James Bond Island again in Thailand. And on the other side, we have the creative industry that are also well placed to benefit from the growth in the experience economy by providing tourists with the opportunity to participate in new creative and authentic experiences. For example, courses and workplaces offered by local artisans. To conclude, tourism gives many opportunities for the creative industries, and the creative industries can be an effective conduit for tourism. The creative economy is the beginning of a new era for tourism, and what's left to see is how tourism will be changed in the upcoming years. Thank you for your attention.